Welcome to the Opal Shop. This here is a very lovely piece of Boulder Opal. As you can see, it's got lovely colours shining through. The stone has been wetted to enhance its natural colours, so it's nice and visible, so you can see the light streaks that come through. This is a very nice thick piece of opal, so you can still see ramifications of it. The sides, it has been pre-shaped, pre-cut, and you can use it as, you can recut and repurpose it to use as a pendant if you like. It's quite lovely, or even as a knife handle. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.